psychiatrist says to the car mechanic, okay, buddy, get under the couch.
You're very funny.
Thank you. I mean, you know, sometimes it just... So, what about you? Do you live alone?
Yep, just me and my dog, Murphy.
Oh, you've got a dog. Oh, what kind?
You have to promise not to laugh, but he's a Pekingese.
Oh, they're so sweet.
Yeah, until he gets overexcited and starts barking.
Oh,
Yeah, that's it exactly. You know, he just like starts. That's really good. That's hilarious. That's like, he thought it was a real dog. And bark to you too. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. That's so great. You do that so well.
That's exactly how they are. Sometimes they just will not stop barking. Yeah. That's it. It's cute. Yeah. I think I got it. Yeah. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, you know what? This is getting a little tired, okay? This is getting to be a little much. Okay, here's the waitress. You really need to stop.
Are we ready to order?
Yeah. I think we decided to on the Chateaubriand, right?
Yes.
And we're gonna share a Caesar salad.
Great. Thanks.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oops. Thanks.
I'm sorry. I mean, if I snapped, it's just been a really rough week, you know. I mean, honestly, it was pretty funny.
All right, here's a little concept. It's called less is more. You ever heard that? Less is less. All right, forget that. Just stop! Let it die! Just stop!
Enjoy your meal.
Oh, go ahead, knock yourself out.